In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Gemini CLI for free in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, open your Visual Studio Code and in the Visual Studio Code, here you can see terminal. So click on terminal and then here click on new terminal. And here you need to write a command to install Gemini CLI in your Visual Studio Code. So for it, just go to browser and then go to geminicli.com and here you will see a command npm install -g at the rate of google/Gemini CLI. So we need to copy this command and we need to paste this command over here. And before you run this command, you need to make sure that you have nodejs installed on your system. So just go to nodejs.org and if you do not have nodejs installed, you need to just download this from here and then install it. Once you have nodejs installed, it means you are ready to install Gemini CLI in your Visual Studio Code. So we write this command here npm install -g google/Gemini-CLI. Then we're going to press enter and it will install Gemini CLI in our Visual Studio Code. And there you can see installation is done. So right now, if we just say here Gemini, then press enter. And here you can see it is asking us a question. Do you want to connect vscode to Gemini CLI? We are going to say here yes. So I will just press enter. And we need to log in. So we'll log in with Google. So using the arrow key, you can choose different option, but I'll recommend you to choose the first option. So now press enter. And it will open in a browser. So from here, you just need to select your Google account, then click on sign in, and there you can see authentication successful. So right now, if we just go back to our Visual Studio Code, here you can see authentication succeed. So now we can give any kind of prompt over here. So let's say create me a animated login page with, let's say, butterfly effect and neon light using HTML and CSS. So let's just press enter and let's see what it does. So there you can see. So right now I am going to select this yes, allow always. And there you go. It created a index.html page for us. Now it created style.css and it also created skip.js. And there you can see it is done. So right now we need to open the index.html file to view it. So let me just go to my folder and my folder name is test project. So I am going to open index.html and there you can see it created a butterfly effect for us and there is a neon effect over here as well. So this page is actually really great and Gemini CLI do a lot of things for you. I think Gemini CLI is better than Cloud Core. This is the best CLI you can use. So yeah, I hope right now you know how to use Gemini CLI in Visual Studio Code. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.